So what I'm gonna try to do now, today, is do these eyebrows. Because even though, technically, in Illinois, you can go get your eyebrows done and haircut or whatever now, but I did not pay for my henna for no fucking reason. So therefore, I'm gonna tweeze my eyebrows to the best of my ability. Some of it might not be the best, like, a camera because, of the fact that I'm using my laptop to record in my bathroom. Because this is what my brother did. Look at this shit. Doesn't turn on. This is the camera I use for a short video. So yeah. So I'm gonna try to do my best. Yeah, you can feel free to what's it called? You know my roots because, well, just ignore them. I don't know. But yeah, you can definitely see better that way. Right now they look kind of okay, like from far away at least. But I see that I have some hair here. Obviously here. I'm just gonna show you y'all real quick. Oh, it looks way worse up close. I'm just gonna show y'all.
I'm gonna help you. Whoever the fuck is opening the door.
Okay, let's try that. Middle of shit. I need to put my phone on. I've been holding my phone under my fucking arm for no reason. I don't know why.
What is this? I can realize. I just want to show y'all. Look at this one. This one's been touched. Anyway, this one I'm not done yet, but I did a decent amount of tweezing already. There. Unless that's just the shadow of my face. Yeah, and it's kind of hard to see my eyebrows because even though they look like here, when I go to the light, almost the tip here. I can see that. Oh, this one's pretty decent right now. But you see what I did with this one is I went a little too high with the fucking. See how this one's a little longer, the thicker part is a little longer, and then this just like kind of stops, and then it starts to like stops again. I fucked it up, but it's not the worst, and it'll probably go back. Hopefully, knock on wood. There's no wood around me, so let's just. Oh, there's a door.
That was me, by the way.
There's a little comb on them, so I'm gonna use that. Have some scores. I'm not really cutting very much when I'm cutting, just letting it. Oh, that one looks. That's horrible. Let's cut a little bit. Oh shit. A little bit off here. God damn it. Not even on the fucking comb. See how there's like a little indent. But let's just try this again. Tell me why this eyebrow looks like well, it's not hair. This one just looks bald right there, like me. Why you do this to me? Ew, it smells so bad. Like, not as bad as before, but it's not good. I think I've tampered with the actual brows enough. Now I'm gonna bust out the henna. Okay, so it is now 10:55 p.m. and of course you can see my fucking dandruff, but whatever. I'm not fixing my hair again. Anyway. My eyebrows are decent, you know, but gotta use this. What I was referring to earlier, I did not pay basically 50%. I mean, basically I paid for this, and the same amount was shipping because it was from fucking India. But on the other hand, well, I didn't know it was from India. On the other hand, it does say made in India. I don't know if you see made in India right there. So like, at least it's authentic or whatever. Authentic henna, whatever that means. It's just they gave me a little whatever this is, little cup, again, thing to keep left over, which I'm not gonna use all because it's supposed to be for 10 uses, so therefore 10 uses will come out of it, bitch. So let's just. I already looked at this, but I'm still confused. So still gonna look at the instructions. They give a little packet, whatever. And there's 3 of the packets of actual henna, which is supposed to be 3 times 10, so 30 in total, you know, whatever.
For professional use only, yeah, haha, bitch. Talkie. I guess we'll see what happens, but I am not a professional, but I'm still using it, so deal with it, people.
Okay, so it wants me to make only half of the spoon, and then they'll put the rest of the actual powder in here. That makes more fucking sense. Okay. I'm just reading the safety instructions, which I don't care about. This says always conduct sensitivity test, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna. Better remove your. No. All my jewelry is here, and that's not in my way. In my eyebrows. I will probably move my glasses.
There's another packet inside the packet. Makes sense, because it's not like the scissors or whatever. But now, I with the scissors too, I guess. Okay, the scissors for your fucking trick each. There's nothing in here, but maybe I'm just thinking. Okay, so I have this. This half of a fucking. It's about half. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't.
Okay, now it's just to put it in this cup right here, which I did. Okay, that's over and done with.
Listen, I paid about $25, $26 for this thing of henna. I usually pay about that much to get my eyebrows done, including including waxing and also including the henna. So, well, usually when I go to the lady that I recently found. But I thought let me do it during quarantine because I want to get my eyebrows. I want to get them highlighted. And then quarantine, not lifted, but you know, like the hairstyle shit was lifted. But I was like, I already got it, so fuck it, I'm doing it, bitch. And I put it in this fucking cup. Doesn't need. Mix with spoon for 5 to 10 minutes until all parts dissolve to make a smooth and uniform paste. And I grab my spoony spoon, and I don't know if this is enough of the fucking. Did I put too much water? It's like nothing. I should have put a little bit more of the henna because there's like nothing in here, man. There's barely anything in here. What the fuck? I don't think I put at least, but it's just I'm gonna put a tiny amount more of it. I don't think that's enough. I think I just need more water. I don't know. It's like very goofy and like not at all what I've seen henna to look like. Although I'm not an expert, but nor am I a professional, which is apparently what this is supposed to be used. What this is supposed to be. It looks like this. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know. I think this might get rid of it. Just to mix for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I've been mixing for a minute. By the way, I added a little bit more water, but a decent amount more of henna because of the fact that it said it needs to be a paste, and it was basically very watery. So I was like, let's add a little bit more henna because, you know, whatever, better safe than sorry. Which, I mean, okay, look at this. Hopefully it's enough. I mean, it's not like my eyebrows are that big or whatever, so hopefully it should be enough. We'll just see. Now it says I have to clean my eyebrows. What does it say? Clean the eyebrows with cleanser to remove dirt. It says dirt. Using a cotton pad, which I don't know where the damn cotton pads are. So therefore, I'm using toilet paper. We're poor in this house, okay? We can't afford. We don't have the budget for cotton pads, even though we have them somewhere. But I just don't like it. A nice little by the way, they're like actually cleaning them. It's basically like a toner type of cleanser thing that whatever. Just we'll see what happens.
Well, yeah, God damn it, I can't. Anything these letters are tiny.
Apply smooth and uniform eyebrow henna paste. The eyebrow henna tinting brush, which I don't have. So remove the tip of the eyebrow, put in the brow hair, not brow. Brow hair in section, leave eyebrow henna paste on eyebrow for 10 to 15. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna fucking apply this with. I'm gonna go look for something and I'll be back.
Okay, so I might regret this decision, but I couldn't find a big brush, so I'm gonna use my old toothbrush. The first time I
got my eyebrows hennaed, I accidentally forgot that I had henna in my eyebrows, and I like scratched one of them.
And I like rubbed it on my shirt because I was like 2 years.
I'm just gonna do it in my mirror.
I'll clean it up in a second. It looks like this, by the way.
I'm gonna clean it up with some kids in a second. You know
What it seems like.
I don't know if this is too dark. Maybe I got too dark of color, but I don't care. I like having my eyebrows done.
I don't know what color she used last time. Like the lady that I went to.
What the time for that? Oh Jesus, this looks really bad. It's gonna look not the best, but I'm gonna clean it up in a minute, so. Oh god, what the fuck? This should be interesting. I look like a fucking sick person. Okay, so it's been about like half an hour. So what I'm gonna do now? Cleanser.
This is a pain in my ass. I think this might have been way too dark for my eyebrows. Like, I know it gets lighter, but I think I should have gone a little bit lighter in color. At least, I guess, at least you can see it, but I don't know. I don't know if it's like so dark. It's so fucking dark. Bro, I don't know what the fuck. Okay. See, this one's good. This one I really like. Obviously a little bit too dark, especially for my hair. Maybe if I had black hair right now. Although that can be arranged, but no. Maybe in the winter. I might update y'all in the morning or in like the next few days because I know henna fades a little bit after a few days, but it's still pretty damn dark. Like that's like when oh my god, I don't hate that. I mean, we'll see tomorrow. Especially like this one. Like this one's fine. You see like weird bushy weirdness here? This one's pretty decent though. So, I gotta do everything I have to do. Pretty sure. And then just this here. Oil on the eyebrows. I'll just do it off camera. Not that big. I put oil on the eyebrows. Perfect.
Anyway. Well, since I did my eyebrows, yeah. So like, obviously they're not like that. See them? Obviously they're not like too dark. For I tweezed them a little bit this morning. And whatever. Point is, I tweezed them this morning because of the fact that I didn't have I didn't get them waxed, so they're obviously going back faster. Because if I had got them waxed and then did the henna myself, which I probably I'm gonna do. Because it seems like a good idea.
Here I also have literally no idea what the hell I was saying.
The point is, it looks really nice. I don't regret anything at all. Honestly, the first day I was like, damn, those are black. But since, like I said it before, I know that henna fades, I wasn't that worried. Especially with my fucking lip shine, like, what the fuck. Like, if it was just red hair, then yeah. But if I had my fucking, like, I don't even know what to call it. Like, dark blonde, light brown. Like, you see that line, bro? Why? I don't even know where I'm doing my hair because I wanted to dye it. I wanted to get blue streaks. Like, going back to blonde, or before I do that, I would go do, like, all the colors I haven't done yet that I want to do, like blue, for example. I just need to think about it, and I'm gonna let y'all go before I start rambling for the next fucking hour or something. So yeah.